Yeah.
Hey Samuel, many customers ask me some questions about quality control.
Quality control.
Yes, do you have some tips?
Yes, I do. So what kind of problem you met on that?
Okay, I want to know before ordering, how can I know if the suppliers can provide quality products?
This is easy. Actually, normally you could check whether this manufacturer did produce similar structure or similar finish and similar concept of your product before. Alright, if they do before, then you could ask them to send a sample for you to fast check and test. So once you have the piece on hand, you can check. So how is it the finish is good to your standard or not? So this is a very good way to fast check. All right.
Okay.
Besides just saying and hearing. All right. Seeing is believing. And another thing, you could check whether these manufacturer have the test report of the raw materials or their finished products. Okay, like raw materials, you could make sure their material is like nickel free, and finished product you can test their like plating, how the plating quality is. Normally it should standardly meet the US standard PRP 65 or Europe standard, the RICH standard. All right. So like the plating, you just let them show you the plating test they ever did before or recently. Okay, or you pick a product or you send a sample, let them to test. So whether they could really recognize the quality of it. Okay. Then for the raw materials or the finished products, you also can ask them about like SGS test report. Okay.
Okay.
Or the RICH test. Is in nickel free for the finished products. All right. So this is a good way to identify. It's not just like asking and the answering. All right. And one more way to fast check their capability is see, does there any other brands in your local area? Is your manufacturer worked with them before or now is still working? All right, if do, then you can reach their brand and try their products by yourself or check the online feedbacks. How is the feedback of their brand products? Then you will know how is the performance of this manufacturer. Yeah.
Okay, got it. And how to control the supplier's product to meet the requirements after ordering?
Normally, what you could do is not so easy. I'm not so sure is it all the manufacturer will provide the pre-production sample, but this is the regular what we do to secure the whole procedures. So you could ask your manufacturer to provide this sample before the bulk production. Either you could check and confirm by the clear picture or the clear videos. Okay. If not, you could ask the supplier send you the sample before the bulk production.
Okay.
In this way, you test everything is good. Okay, you approve like yes, then you start the bulk production. So this is safe. All right. And before the bulk shipment, you still could ask for the picture, the videos, right, to check all the product's conditions at average, not like one piece, two piece. Okay, you can check randomly how the every piece looks, the stone, the stone settings, okay, the enamel finish and the plating color, everything. Yeah, try the best to secure everything before the full shipment. Okay, and if necessary, you also could ask them to provide the test report on the materials or on the products or structure. And also, after receive the products, you could do the randomly check. Either check by hand, see is it well finished, all the design is the same with your designing file. Okay, also could do the plating test as well at your side. So it's a good way to make sure your manufacturer proceed the same standard what you requested. Okay.
Okay. Good to know. And how to ensure the consistency of long-term product quality?
For the long term,
Yes.
then there are some solutions. So you could keep the sample of every orders from one certain supplier. Let's say for the half year or the whole year, they have 10 batches or 20 batches of orders, right? So each batch of order, you keep one sample. So at the end of the time, then you compare all the samples from different batches, see the lenses, sizes, okay, colors, everything is the same. So this is a way to double check, and it will take some time. All right. And again, you could check and ask how is the production procedures, even how they do the quality check. Okay, let's say for the plating. All right, you could ask her how they do the plating, step by step. All right, in this way, if just in case they have some updates on some procedures or steps, they should let you know. In this way, you will know, okay, whether they got changes on the quality frame. Okay.
Okay.
And let's say for the quality check, and they got different ways. So all the supplier will say we do the 100% full check, but you must know how they do the quality check, like one round checking, 2 round, or 3rd round. All right, like whether they just see or stretch or hold like this one, or just like this way, or in this way, strong tension. Okay, or maybe put in some liquid like Coca-Cola. Okay, this is the most strict test we ever do. So put the products into the Coca-Cola for 24 hours and see after 24 hours, is it still the glue is very strong or not. You still can do this kind of strong tension. Okay, so this is the quality check of the connection part. So they got a different standard. So you must know how they proceed this part. And another way is every batch you could do the randomly check, either by like your checking by yourself or wearing by yourself. Okay, all do by the professional lab tests. Okay, if test by your team, mostly we suggest 3 to 5 people to test a specific design about 2 to 3 weeks to see how it reacts from the different stuff in your team. And the test report will be easy, so you can straight to do like the plating test just now we mentioned. Either you could do the plating test of the thickness or the colors. Yeah.
Okay, that's easy to understand.
But anyway, so you should have procedures to maintain they will be proceeded in the long term, and then you can keep the consistency. Yeah. So if you still have other questions about the quality control, feel free to call me. Follow me, Trader Chinese Tea.